Alright, we're going on a quick test drive. That steering wheel straight. Does have a little wobble to it. The steering wheel has a slight wobble to it. Transmission feels good. Everything shifts nice and smooth. These shocks are amazing. Very, very smooth, nice ride. All right, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And one thing to note, this does have a really nice coilover suspension setup. And so we'll list this on the website as well. It looks really good. Tread on the tires looks good. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looking at the fender, I see some really light scuffs down the side. Got a chip right here. The emblem looks nice. Got the antenna here, a little shorty. You do have some rock chips here and a couple on that lower section. Very minimal though. Here on the side mirror, a couple little scuffs. You see some scratches and a graze mark on the mirror. Little scuffs and stuff like that here and there. The A-pillar looks good. I see some scuffs on the trim. Making our way down the door. That looks good. Got a couple graze marks on that door edge. That lower section looks good though. You can see a couple scratches on this pillar. And it's on the trim as well. That door looks good. With this color it's hard to see, but those little scratches that you see on this trim kind of go across the paint as well, but it hides it really, really well. So I'm not sure you're going to be able to see that even out in the sun, because this lighting is perfect and it really illuminates it all. Looking at that wheel, looks good. Checking out the front end, starting with the corner over here, we do have a gash in the paint. And then there's some graze marks. Looking at that headlight, looks good. Got a chip here that's been touched up, and little swirls and scuffs on the grille surround here. Edge of this hood looks good so far. I don't see any dents, gashes, or any imperfections up there. That headlight's looking pretty. Got a couple rock impacts here. Then looking on this lower section, I see a chip right there, chip right there. A couple small ones every once in a while. It's all really minimal. And then down here on this lower section, we do have some damage. Looks like something grazed it. Got some gashes right there. This is cracked, and then you can see some gashes and some scratches here. And then there's little graze marks all throughout that lower section. All right, checking out the engine bay. Got some dirt there in the corners, but all this stuff here on the top side looks good. You have a little dirt here on the underhood liner, but the rest of it looks pretty good. And then looking at this side, Here on the back left, you're gonna have some chips on the bumper edge there. Little scuffs on the bedside. That fuel door is a little bit of a different color, it looks like. You can see this side is chipped up here on that lower section. That wheel looks good. Got some scratches throughout this trim. Looking at the mirror, some minor surface scuffs here and there. And that wheel looks good. And then checking out the back here, starting with the back right side of the bumper, there is some damage. It looks like they backed into something. So you do have the dent here and the gashes. It definitely pushed the bumper up a little bit. And then you can see the alignment here is really, really tight. Versus over here, you have a pretty good gap. And so this tailgate piece right here does not open. It's actually really flush here, and you can see it scratched it up at some point. So this part does not open up because it rubs on the body. And then you have a crease right here and a crease here. So it looks like something dented it down and pressed it down. Now the main part of the tailgate does open though. Got a good gash right there. Got a chip here. So you can see the gap here. You can get your hand in there. And on this side, you can't. And there you go. And then on the tail light, we got a gash there and a gash here. You got your bed liner. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Checking out this door panel, that upper section looks good. Got the memory seating, power folding mirrors, Bose audio. See a couple small scuffs here, a little bit of wear in that pocket. Otherwise, that panel looks good. Typical little scuffs from getting in and out. Got the really nice all-weather mat with the carpet insert. Looking at that seat, that bolster looks nice. Same here, as well as the rest of the seat. Looks awesome. Steering wheel has a nice matte finish to it. Those buttons look good. Steering wheel is heated. Those look nice. There is a scratch right there. Very minor. Got the heads-up display, power steering wheel. Got all the goodies here. Looks really good. Got the big screen, heated cool seats. All those buttons look nice. Got your trailer brake controller here. This side looks really good. There's your sunroof. All right, looking at the front right door panel. That upper section looks nice. Button area is clean. Got some scuffs here. Otherwise, that panel looks nice. Typical little scuffs on this trim. Got the really nice floor mats with the carpet inserts. That bolster looks good. That side's nice and clean. You do have some sort of imperfection right here, but otherwise that seat looks good. Got a gash right there. And then you have a gash right there. If you can see that. Also kind of put a little indentation in it. Got the upper glove box and the lower. That dash looks really nice. And then here on the cup holder trim, a couple little scuffs. Otherwise, this side looks good. Here on the back right door panel, the upper section looks good. You do have some scratches in the plastic here, a couple scuffs on that speaker cover. That trim looks good. Floor mats look nice. Seats look really good. You do have a couple scratches here on the back side of the console. The seats are heated. Then you got your storage here underneath. Here on the back left door panel, that looks really good. That trim looks nice, and these seats look absolutely perfect. Very clean.